So how do you block a specific app or a website on the iPhone with a passcode? So let me guide you through it. If it's your first time in here, most definitely become part of the community and subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and more videos like this one. Anyways, the thing that plays in the settings specifically for this is called the screen time section, where you can get inside and you have the ability to set up content restrictions, or you as well have some controls over the apps and stuff, but you can get inside in here. And as I said, go to the content and privacy restrictions. And when you have that enabled, you can, for example, tap on the first thing at the top, which are the App Store purchases. And you can decide if you allow installing new apps or if you don't allow it at all. The same thing applies to the in-app purchases as well as deleting apps, right? So it is up to you to decide if you approve of any of the changes. Right, then you can come back and go to the App Store, Media, Web, and Games, and in there you can limit the web content. So you can limit it, or only approved websites might work, or you can leave no restrictions in place. But the whole point is that a part of the main settings for the screen time, we also have the ability to lock it with a passcode. So you can set up a passcode which is going to be distinct and separate from the one you normally use to unlock the device. So it makes it very useful, in fact, because you can just separate it and nobody else will be able to make any changes to this, because the passcode is required specifically for that settings menu. But that would be all from me. I really hope that I could help you out with it. Let me know what you think below, subscribe for more, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.